So this location that installed there, and this font pass. So Git also installed. So Git software must be installed there, configure, and thereafter restart your terminal or then run OMP. So opening their command prompt once again, if I write there OMP minus minus version, so you can get there what exactly OMP version that install in my system, and this here or section version that install. If I write there OMP minus H for helping command, you can also get there. To start the OMP, so this you can see this all helping commands that's come there. Model proof this all. After that, to start the OMP, you need to use the command OMP. So this you can use this that's come there. Now you can do set up your provided sign. So if you do the sign in, then start using the OMP inside there. So you can do the sign in with ChatGPT here, GitHub, Cursor, and Gravity. Okay, so this is how we can do the installation of this OMP on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.